friends, how are you all? A very good morning and hope you are taking care of yourself, staying safe at home. Today I am going to make you learn about 26 sounds of English alphabets. You know English have 26 letters and we are going to learn about the sounds of that letters. Alright, are you ready? Yes. A, B, K, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, K, A, W, X, A, Z. Alright kids, we have learned the sounds of these English letters. These English letters contains vowels and consonants. We'll learn about the 5 vowels in these letters. They are A, E, I, O, U. The sounds made by these vowels are A, E, I, O, A. We'll put a consonant P here and blend this consonant and vowel sounds. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. B, A, ba. B, E, B. B, E, B. B, O, ball. B, O, ball. B, A, b. B, A, b. Now kids, we'll put one more consonant here and make a meaningful word here. Okay. Bat, bat. Yay. Bat, bat. Bat, bed. Bat, bed. B, E, B, B. B, E, B, B. Yes, the bee which a small baby carry here when they eat. B, O, boy. B, O, like boy. Yes. Bus. 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 Yay! So we have learned so many words with blending vowels and consonants. So kids, you too practice at home and make few words and do poster on our page. Thank you all.